Yes, sure.
Good afternoon sa lahat. Question na to ay kay
Kilala.
Founder, Commissioner Adley Mariano. So, ang PH Open, gusto ko lang maliwanag kung amateur siya o professional.
Open for amateur and professionals.
So, hindi lang sa SPA yung magiging gold mine ng PH Open, kundi magiging open din para sa mga national team natin.
Yes, kahit hindi national team, kahit amateurs sila, whether from Mindanao, Cebu, Luzon, pwedeng sumali. Again, this is a scouting tournament para sa mga team owners, baka may makita silang may potential.
So, season 2 na, successful yung season 1. So, ano expect natin sa season 2?
Season 2, maraming changes, specifically sa pag-allow namin sa Shark King. Mas nirefine namin yung rules doon. At saka may isa pa kaming binago regarding sa shot clock. Announce namin lahat yan, siguro after ng Philippine Open.
Sa ating... Sige lang po, sige. Hello. Sa ating hello. Mula sa launching ng SPA, nariyan ngayon. Going to season 2. So, from 1 to 10, anong rate yung bibigyan sa'yo?
Well, easily, more than 10. Well, in terms of growth, the reason for my answer is that there's phenomenal growth in billiards. And as I mentioned earlier, the interest of our fans is increasing. And SBA provides a venue for our players to show their skills, display their skills. And that's why we're giving them 2 thumbs up. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman.